One is a symbol of unity, and this grill unites different traditions and cooking methods from all around the world. After 20 years in designing and developing equipment for the food industry, and have the privilege to travel around the world and enjoy different culture and tradition, I would like to present you with the #1 grill. This grill is changing the idea of outdoor cooking. In a matter of seconds, you'll be able to switch from one application to another, starting from the North American tradition with the slow cooking, smoking, and grilling by using charcoal and wood. With a single rotation, you'll be able to experience Central and South America and many other countries on a flat top. With auto rotation, speed and performance on your favorite gas grilling. And for last, we combine tradition between grilling and flat top. Now this grill was designed with the best material ever used in the market, from top quality stainless steel to weather and heat resistant coating. With an infrared burner that will bring your temperature all the way to 800 Fahrenheit and with top quality grades. And of course, on wheel that allow you to place it anywhere. Outdoor cooking unites family and friends to enjoy their time and favorite dishes together. Now this company was founded with a mission that a percentage of the profit will be donated to no-profit organizations that support people around the globe. When you purchase one of these grills, not only you will enjoy your favorite food with your family and friends, but deep down in your heart, you will know that you help the family to have a place that they can call home, and with the hope they will enjoy their favorite food as well. Now our manufacturing partners are ready for production, but we need your support for our initial order and keep this grill affordable. So please, share this video with your family and friends, and let's bring this amazing grill to your homes. My name is Emiliano Marra, and I am the founder and inventor of the #1 grill. Thank you.